Right, moving on to the next question, which is on the cats. Now this question will be about X-linked inactivation. Alright, so it says male house cats may be black or yellow, female may be black, tortoiseshell pattern or yellow. If the appearance, now question A, if the appearance are governed by sex-linked locus, how can these results be explained? So basically you're saying that yellow and black are X-linked or sex-linked, and on the X chromosome they are, and on the females, because of X inactivation, one of the X's will be randomly deactivated, and because of that you'll find that this where you will get the tortoiseshell pattern, a mixture of black or yellow in the whole cat. In the males will carry only one one X, so therefore it can either be a black cat or a yellow cat. Alright, now B, using appropriate symbols, determine the phenotypes expected by offsprings. Now this is just a simple cross, I would say. So a yellow female, so okay, let's do this. Enlarge this. And then turn on the monitor, the desk camera. So second question, using appropriate symbols, determine the phenotypes expected from a cross between yellow female. So a yellow female will be X, Y, X, Y, yellow female. Cross with a black male, X, black male. And from here you can do the Punnett square. So you will have X, B, and Y, and then you will have X, Y. So here you will have X, B, X, Y, and then here you will have X, Y, Y. Okay, and this will give you a tortoiseshell female, and here you will get a yellow male. Okay. Question number C, do the same for the reciprocal cross. So you're just doing the reciprocal of that cross. So you have X, B, cross with X, Y, Y. So similarly you will have that X, Y, and Y, and then you have X, B. So here you will have X, B, Y, and then you have X, B, Y. So in terms of phenotype, here you will get tortoiseshell female, and then here you will get a black male. Okay, all right. And then a mating produces tortoiseshell and black females in equal number, tortoiseshell and black females. So it says you want to do the cross, right? So you get tortoiseshells and black females. You get tortoiseshells and also black females. Tortoiseshell and black females. So from here you can already see that the female must be a tortoiseshell, and then the male must have a B and Y. And then just to go through the question again, a mating produces tortoiseshell and black females in equal number, and yellow and black males in equal number. So yellow and black males. So do you get yellow? Yes. You get XY, and then you get XY as well. So they are both in equal numbers. All right. Okay. Let me sign this for a while. Okay, and then so they'll give you equal numbers. So the parental types, male and female. So the parental, this will be a black male, sorry, male, and then the female will be a tortoise shell female. All right, that is for answer D. And finally, answer E. Another kind mating produces offsprings, quarter of which are yellow males, quarter of which are yellow females, and then quarter. Now again, they use quarter, but that just means 1:1. It's equal number, right? So they just use quarter just to confuse you a bit. So now what you have in your offsprings are yellow males. You have yellow males, and then you have yellow females. Right? So again, when you have this, that shows that one of the eggs must come from the mother. This is the Y. And the fact that you have that, so the father must also have a Y. And then because you can have quarter black male, so that one, so you have a quarter black male. So you have that. You must have that, right? And then the other one are tortoiseshell females, right? Okay. So the parental types will be, the female again will be a tortoiseshell female, and then the male is a yellow. Okay. Right, that's it. See you later.